In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone 15 to Me TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use an iPhone 15 and screen mirror it to any smart TV, including a Xiaomi or Mi TV. To do this, first swipe down from the top on the control center, and in here you can find these screen mirroring options on the iPhone. So look for these two rectangles or these two monitors and access the screen mirroring menu. Something else to keep in mind is that you can only do this if both the TV and the iPhone have been set to the same Wi-Fi network. So if needed, connect them to the same Wi-Fi network before proceeding. Inside of the screen mirroring menu, you will look for nearby devices, and in here, your Xiaomi TV should be listed. So in this example, I have a Samsung TV, but of course for you, the Xiaomi TV should appear instead, as long as you chose the proper Wi-Fi network on both devices. However, if this doesn't happen and for whatever reason the Mi TV does not appear on this list, don't worry, you can still connect them together, but you will need to check two things. You can go over to the settings of the Mi TV and see if they have any sort of AirPlay functionality. If they do, check to see if it is enabled. And if they don't, then the best course of action is going to be to download an application to get this to work, DoCast. So this application allows you to connect your iPhone to many different TV models, even the ones that have Chromecast built in. So download this app from the App Store on your iPhone, and when you open it up, all of the TVs nearby are going to appear. Of course, if you only have one, it's going to be the only one listed here. If you cannot find a TV, just tap here to ask for additional help. And as long as you have the Wi-Fi set up on both devices and they are in close proximity, it should appear without issue. So now choose the Mi TV. It is going to appear at the top, and you can choose what you want to share from your iPhone: screen, photos, music, or videos. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.